안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. For people who wanted to try my dumpling recipes but couldn't get dumpling wrappers, today I will show you how to make delicious homemade dumpling wrappers called mandupi in Korean. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Special thanks go to Tani Irawati, who correctly guessed which recipe I will post this week in the community tab. I also want to say thank you for all the people who requested this video. For this recipe, we will need only 3 ingredients. So, add all-purpose flour, 밀가루, and the salt, 소금 in a mixing bowl and mix it together. Here we need some hot water, 뜨거운 물. As you can see, it is not boiling water, 끓는 물, but the steam is still coming off the water. This is one secret ingredient for the chewy texture of my dumpling wrappers. Add water little by little while mixing it into the flour. I try to add the least amount of water as possible to get a good elastic and firm dough texture. When the flour crumbles, start to put all the crumbles together in one big chunk. So gently knead the dough to get all the remaining crumbles to blend together. Then take it out from the mixing bowl and on a rolling mat, knead the dough for about 5 minutes as you would knead bread dough. It does not have to have a perfectly smooth surface, but when it gets a little soft like this, it is enough. So form it into a bowl. And then wrap the dough with some plastic wrap and let it set for at least an hour. This step also helps the dough become soft and elastic. 2 hours later, the dough looks nice. Cut it in half and then roll each piece with both hands on a rolling mat to form a cylinder. It will be around 8 inches long and 1.5 inches in diameter. It will take some time to roll each dumpling wrapper, so while you're working on the first roll, wrap the other one with some plastic wrap so that it will not dry out. We will cut one rolled dough into 12 pieces, so divide it into 4 and then divide each of the 4 pieces into 3 pieces. This will make it easier to divide the dough into similar sizes. Take one dough piece and form it into a round shape before rolling it. Press it down with your palm or finger gently like this. Roll the dough with a rolling pin until it becomes about 4 inches in diameter. Another tip is, try to roll around the edges of the dumpling wrappers thinner than the center part so that you will get better results when you fold your dumpling wrappers later to make dumplings. Use the same process for the rest of the dough and you will get 24 dumpling wrappers with this recipe. To show you the result of my homemade dumpling wrappers for cooking, I made some steamed dumplings, 찐만두, and the fried dumplings, 군만두. Both of them turned out delicious. Now you can try my recipes for corn cheese dumpling, garlic chive dumplings, and kimchi dumplings. Try this delicious homemade mandupi recipe someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share it with me on Facebook or Instagram. I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.